Michelle Fed here with HG. Today we're going to go over how to maintain your hearing aids at home. So this is what you'll use in between your regularly scheduled clean and check videos. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to change your wax filters and what you can do to keep your hearing aids clean. Okay friends, so to start out, I would start by preparing my workstation. So I've got a nice clean towel laid out. In case you drop your hearing aid, it'll be nice and safe. I'll prepare my workstation by getting a few cotton pads here, my cleaning tool, some wax filter replacements, some alcohol towelettes, or some alcohol. Now what I prefer to do is to spray my alcohol just a little bit. I'll grab my hearing aid, and I start out by wiping the entire surface of the hearing aid. The receiver wire, the dome, and the retention line. So after I do that, I simply remove the rubber dome, and you do that by a gentle pinch and then pulling it off. Inside there, you'll see the wax filter. So what happens is that tends to plug up with wax or dry skin, and when that happens, you'll find that you're not hearing as well as you should be. So that's when you know it's time to change that wax filter. So what we'll do is we'll simply pull out a new package of wax filters here. And what's nice is that there is a nice diagram on how to replace those as well. So I would hold on to that until you are pretty comfortable with replacing your filter. So you see we have a set of 8 filters here. We'll simply pull one out. On this end, you'll see there's a brand new one. And on this end, there's it's flat. And this is what you'll use to remove the old filter. Simply place that in the center of that old wax filter and pull out. I would set that aside, grab my brush, and brush away any wax or debris that's built up around that receiver. You can even take your alcohol towel and give it a good wipe. After that, you're free to replace that filter. You simply place that inside, give it a gentle push, and pull out. And there you go. You've got a new filter on there. So after doing that, I'd set that aside, grab your dome, place it in your alcohol, just kind of give it a good clean as well. You can take your brush that has a wax pick at one end, just kind of pick away any wax or dry skin or debris that's built up there. Kind of give it a good cleaning. And you're simply going to replace that. Just goes in and give it a gentle push. Now one thing you want to do is make sure it's on there nice and tight so it doesn't fall off. So I simply give it a good pull. Now, after doing that, you definitely want to inspect and make sure there's no rips or tears on the dome. After that, you can move on to your next hearing aid. So just as simple as that, friends. That's one way to maintain your hearing aids in between your regularly scheduled clean and checks. This is Michelle Fed with Hearing Group, and again, thanks for watching.